back to our channel. We're starting a new vlog today. Today we're probably just going to do a daily vlog. We are on the hunt for some shoes for a wedding we have coming up in Boston. And so Leah needs shoes. Everybody pretty much has an outfit, but Leah needs shoes. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can find some.
Yeah!
But if you guys just want to watch as we go shopping for that.
You can brag us over there.
Yeah. You think so? Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. So we'll pick you guys back up when we get into the store.
Goodbye.
So we're back from the store and we found these shoes for Leah. They are silver, sparkly little dress shoes. I'll show you the one she originally had. Let me grab them. So these are the original shoes that we got from Dillard's. These are really pretty, but they're actually too small for her now. We bought them like a month ago and I feel like she's just grown since we bought these, and because she said they're hurting. So we were looking for some other ones, and these are the ones we found, which probably are going to be better in the long run because they're flat, and to be at a wedding for a few hours, this probably would hurt her because she hasn't worn heels before. But we got these on clearance and they match the dress perfectly. They were like really, really cheap, and it was the last pair of the shoe period, so that was what we went with. So yeah, so this is a pair of shoes that we found, and these fit her very well, and they're both really pretty sparkly, as you can see. So yeah, that's what we found today. We found these at a store called Bell's here in our little town, and this pair was from Dillard's. Alright guys, so today is Tuesday. Welcome back to the vlog, by the way. So today is Tuesday, August
29,
and we are on our way to the grocery store to get a couple extra things for the hurricane that's coming, Hurricane Idalia. And so it's already starting. Yeah, hopefully they still have stuff for us to get, but
powers.
What do you say?
We still have power.
Yes, we currently still have power. The hurricane hasn't came yet.
Yeah,
It's supposed to come tomorrow at
everybody okay.
like I think 10 a.m. or something like that. But So Leah here in the back seat.
Yeah.
And she have on the rain boots today.
Ready. So I'm gonna make sure you stay safe. Get all of the supplies you don't need. Extra toilet paper. I'll just make sure.
We might actually be low on that, to be honest.
What, toilet paper?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think you're going to get none because all of that probably buy
But that was a COVID thing. That wasn't hurricane.
Well, you never know. You might transition over to hurricane now. You never know. So on the stay safe, hopefully you don't lose power. Last year we lose power for how much days? 7 days we lose power.
7 days.
Yeah.
No, I think 8 days.
8 days. No, I think I did 7 days. But either way, make sure you say I'm just doing the thing, yeah, man. Get what you need now while you can. Hopefully you can find some stuff. Because we already got to a couple gas stations.
And how your lunch, too.
And what is it?
And how your lunch.
And have your lunch.
Have your lunch ready, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so
be
we'll...
safe.
Right. We'll show you guys in Walmart. We'll, pick you guys up to see if there's anything left on the shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. All right, we'll see you in Walmart.
Goodbye.
Actually start rain heavy now. I guess the real rain and everything beginning now, so we are trying to make our way back home in a one piece. We get all we could get at the grocery store. Showed every grocery store at the front seat.
Yeah, just a few things. We already had some groceries, but why is the phone blurry? We already had some stuff, but we just got a couple extra
Come
stuff.
off of the road and buckle down. And hopefully we don't lose power, not true?
Yep. For 5 days.
5, you don't want to lose power again.
Yeah.
Yep. So we don't get caught from the rain.
You can imagine how much place going to get flooded, you know? Just find this at first. Look on the water over there. All of that bright full up.
It's kind of blurry.
So this is the day of the hurricane Idalia, if I pronounce that properly. So right now it's just a constant local drizzle. We get pretty lucky that it didn't come this way. For those that have been affected in Tallahassee and the other areas that were affected, wish you the best. We didn't get that much damage, as you can see. Down here for us, the rain is coming down off and on, but doesn't seem like we have any damage to the house or anything like that. As you can see by the tree them and thing, the breeze is still kind of strong off and on, nothing too crazy though, but definitely get lucky. Last year we lose power for 7 days. This year we knock out, so no major damage to the yard. So today is just a rainy day, as you can see. Going to be pretty much this for the rest of the day, I suspect. So I'm just make sure you stay safe and do what you need to do. And again, the people that been affected badly in Tallahassee and all those areas that the hurricane go through directly, sending out with local prayers and best wishes, man. So I'm just take it easy. Alright.